Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Firebase data using the emulator and exported backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Firebase data using the emulator and exported backups, first ensure you have the Firebase CLI installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your Firebase project directory. Run the command to start the Firebase emulator suite by typing Firebase emulators start. In a separate terminal window, locate your exported backup files. These backup files should ideally be in JSON format. Next, find the specific data structure in your backup files that corresponds to the Firebase service you are restoring. You may need to edit the backup files to remove any unnecessary data or keys. Once your backup files are ready, you can import the data into the emulator. In the terminal, use the command Firebase emulators exec to run a script that will load the data. Include the path to your backup file in the command. If using Firestore, the command format will be Firebase Firestore import path to your backup file. For real-time database, use the command Firebase database set path to your backup file. After you run the command, the emulator will process the import. Monitor the terminal for any errors during the process. Once the import is complete, you can check the emulator UI to verify that the data has been restored successfully. Be sure to test the functionality of your application with the restored data. Finally, stop the emulator by using the command Ctrl+C in the terminal where it is running. You can now work with your restored Firebase data in the emulator environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.